Welcome to the Jelvix channel, where we believe that even the most intricate technology concepts can be explained in a simple manner. Don't believe us? Just watch as we explain cloud computing in a way that a 5-year-old could understand. Imagine you have a box of crayons with only a few basic colors. If you wanted to add a color to your picture that your crayons don't have, you would either need to buy more crayons or ask a friend who has lots of crayons to share some with you. Now, when it comes to cloud computing, the concept is quite similar. When you need more computing power or resources that your own computer doesn't have, you can either buy more hardware or, instead, ask another specialized company to share some of their computing power and resources with you, using its remote servers and data centers to store, process, and manage data and applications. It's like your friend sharing their crayons, but in this case, it's computer resources. While a simple metaphor might make it sound simple, cloud computing can be complex in its underlying infrastructure and technologies. But no worries, we're here to simplify the key aspects for you. We're Jelvix, a software development partner for industry leaders. We post weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, use the Super Thanks feature to support our channel so we can deliver more great content. And make sure to watch till the end of the video to learn which company dominates the enterprise storage market, owning 44% of its cloud resources. So let's come back to our box of crayons metaphor, covering the main types of cloud computing services. If we look at different cloud computing service models, infrastructure as a service would be like renting a blank canvas and a set of crayons. What you basically get is just basic infrastructure to start from scratch. You have the freedom to draw and create whatever you want on the canvas, but you need to manage everything from scratch, including choosing the crayon colors and arranging the drawing. In the case of platform as a service, you can receive a pre-built platform to create and deploy apps, just like a pre-drawn coloring book. You can color within the lines or modify the existing drawings, but the basic structure is already provided. This approach can be more suited for businesses that are primarily focused on streamlining the app development and deployment processes. Web and mobile app developers, IoT device manufacturers, and software development companies fall under this category. Another type of cloud computing is software as a service, which implies using ready-to-use apps. It's like having a coloring book with all the pages already colored, and you simply get to enjoy the finished artwork. However, there is little to no room to add some extra details to the drawing or change the colors. Software as a service is used by small and medium-sized businesses that want to quickly adopt software apps without having to deal with infrastructure or software development. To choose the right cloud computing type for your business, start with analyzing your needs and capacities. Consider if you can dedicate resources to manage IaaS infrastructure, tolerate longer deployment times, desire high customization, and weigh maintenance costs. Additionally, cloud computing has different deployment models, which are private, meaning exclusive to one organization, public, the solution that is operated by a third party for multiple organizations, and a hybrid type being the combination of both. Now, according to statistics, a hybrid cloud model is used by 82%. And no wonder, since it offers greater flexibility and scalability without sacrificing private control. The cloud computing market has grown dynamically over the recent years, and it's predicted to reach $1.24 trillion by 2028. And there's a reason behind such rapid growth. Many businesses reported numerous benefits from cloud computing, including high accessibility and availability of resources, greater scalability, improvements in process efficiency, reductions in IT maintenance costs and spending, improvement in time to market, and more. In the end, as promised, please welcome the king of cloud computing. When it comes to the enterprise data storage software market, Amazon S3 owns 44% of the enterprise cloud storage market. Meanwhile, the crown of the most used cloud storage services overall takes Google Drive, followed by Dropbox and OneDrive. Alright, that's it for now. But if you crave more insights, watch our video dedicated to edge computing. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.